Queen's Lift by Dr. Umaira. Guys, come on. ये जोर से होना चाहिए, guys. Come on. I would also like to request Gohar ma'am to please speak few words about our new Queen's Lift launch and the product. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wow, this mic is really loud. Okay, I'm so excited for Dr. Umaira. She's a lovely person. She is as you can see, her aura and her vibe is so positive. And I'm so excited for her new product, the Queen's Lift. I have used it, I am using it, I love it. It's something that, you can do it so easily without any invasive procedures. It just gives you a natural lift and it makes you feel like, yeah, your skin is uplifted, it feels tighter, it feels fresh. I know we all have tired nights before that, and for under eyes we all wonder, yaar, kya aanखें itni dhasi hui lag rahi hain. So this works fabulously for that. It's something that everyone can use. It's not only for women or men. I mean, just women. People think that beauty product है तो सिर्फ औरतें ही use कर सकती हैं, but this is great for men as well. And I loved using it. I'm going to continue using it. And I have to say something very important, that my mom loves it too. My mom is using it and she is loving it. In fact, sometimes मैं घर में जाती हूँ and she's watching her serial with, while using the products. I'm like, wow, mom, you're enjoying it. So congratulations on that, Dr. Umaira. I wish you all the very best and all the luck for this, for your clinic, for your new product. Hey, great, that's me. So yeah, all the best, and I'm sure it'll be something that men and women will be using. So yeah, good luck.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I would just take a pause and we'll show the video for a minute. And how was the experience with ma'am? So
using the different corners of Queen's Lift. This tip head helps in stimulating facial. Hi guys, kaise hain aap sab? Today I'm going to introduce you to something that I have personally loved and it has worked wonders on my skin. This is the tiny cute machine which is called Queen's Lift by Dr. Umaira, and it works wonders. I'm going to show you how. The best part about it is that it stimulates collagen production and increases blood circulation. इसमें दो मोड हैं. The blue mode is for skin toning and the red mode is for warm massage, product absorption and face lifting. Just drop some adequate amount of serum or cream over your face and gently massage using the different corners of Queen's Lift. This tip head helps in stimulating facial acupuncture and the other two sides are for absorbing the skincare products. I love the results that Queen's Lift gives me just with 5 minutes of massage daily. It makes me feel fresh and glowing. I love it. I hope you do try it.
it's amazing, guys. Hello? Mic check. That was amazing, ma'am. You were exceptional. Now I would request our main queen to just share few words with how important this product would be for everyone. So ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready to step up your skincare? Rajiv, Avi, thoda all loud guys, come on, get some energy.
Hello. First, I would like to compliment for launching this product. Thank you so much. And it was a amazing, wonderful experience working with you. So this product, it's a one of a kind product in India, and you just need 5 minutes in your daily routine to use this product, and this give you immediate, you can see a glow on your face, and it lift your skin, and like ma'am said, anyone can use it, men and women both, and it improves your blood circulation. You can use with any your moisturizer, with your serums, every day, and you will see fantastic results with it. Thank you so much.
That was great.
एक सेकंड साइलेंस मेंटेन हो जाएगा तो फिर आंसर कर पाएंगे. Well, I'm very careful about what I attach my name with, especially because लोगों की बात होती है, उनके यूजेज की बात होती है, तो एक certain amount of responsibility आ जाती है मुझ पे. तो I first use those products and see if they are really good, and then only can I talk about them. And Dr. Mehra is a common, we have a common friend in between, and we were introduced through him, and that's when we started talking, and she said, "Pehle aap use kar lo product, how do you like it? Then we will talk about an association." Just like my characters in my films, I want them to be impactful to the audience. I want the products that I endorse also to help the people. So that's why I chose this. मैंने ही पहले इस्तेमाल किया, उसके बाद मैंने मॉम को इंट्रोड्यूस किया. शी लाइक ये क्या चीज़ है, and then she just got hooked on to it. She loves it. आप एक एक्टर भी हैं, and मैडम आपसे भी जानना चाहते हैं कि आपने ये प्रोडक्ट किया, तो आप कितना मानेंगे कि ये डेली यूज करना चाहिए, इसके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा होगा. सी क्या होता है ना, आजकल लोग इंजेक्शंस एंड प्रोसीजर्स में इतने ज़्यादा एक्सपोज हो गए हैं कि उनको लगता है सिर्फ वही एक तरीका है टू गेट फील बेटर फॉर योर स्किन. बट easy products like this can give you a daily effect. Daily आपकी स्किन थोड़ी फ्रेश लग सकती है, आप थोड़ा uplifted फील कर सकते हैं. टेक्निकली क्या है वो डेफिनेटली डॉक्टर ओमेरा बता पाएंगे, लेकिन मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिले इससे, एंड आई लव इट.
मेरा नॉलेज है ये इंडिया में पहली बार. तो जैसे मैम ने कहा कि आजकल इंजेक्शंस एंड प्रोसीजर्स लोग ज़्यादा करते हैं, बट काफ़ी लोग हैं जो उससे बहुत दे आर स्कैर्ड ऑफ डूइंग इंजेक्शंस, एंड दिस इज़ अ गुड टाइम टू लॉन्च दिस प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज इफ यू सी ड्यू टू कोविड सिचुएशन मेनी पीपल आर नॉट कमिंग टू आवर क्लिनिक, so they want something to maintain their skin at home. So that's why this product is very, very important. You can maintain your skin sitting at home. So this gives you fantastic results if you use it. ये आपको हमारी वेबसाइट पे भी मिल जाएगा, और इसका हमने कॉस्ट रखा है अराउंड 7,900.
Really? Yeah. That's it? हाँ, जैसे उन्होंने एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट हाईलाइट किया डॉक्टर ओमेरा ने, कि इस वक्त लोग बाहर जाने से कतरा रहे हैं, डर रहे हैं, और उतना ज़्यादा वक्त भी नहीं मिल रहा है, लॉकडाउन हो जाता है पता नहीं कब. तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज घर बैठे बैठे यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्किन एंड यू कैन फील बेटर अबाउट द वे यू लुक. सो वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड आई डिडंट नो ये इतने अच्छे प्राइस पॉइंट पे इन्होंने रखा हुआ है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अफोर्डेबल, इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल फॉर एवरीवन.
आपको कहना चाहेंगे, जब मैं बाबू की बात करता हूँ जाते थे चुके हैं।
करेक्ट.
आपका आपके ध्यान में हमेशा से बहुत और ये ऐसे ही हो गए.
नहीं, actually I always wanted to work with her since long time, and it's my actually it's my pleasure. I'm sitting with her in front of you guys. So she look at her. She's so beautiful, so gorgeous. Look at her skin. She maintains her skin so well. So this is she's a perfect example to how to you can use skincare product, and people actually following her to see what she is using, and how her skin is so flawless, so good. So that's why she's a good face for my brand.
Thank you.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Thank you. अच्छा बस हम लोग माइक हटा के केक का पास में
Pics, हाँ pics भी ले लेंगे. All the very best and the most success. हाँ इधर से स्टार्ट करो. Thank you. Priscilla, and all the very best. कोविड टाइम में तो सब अपना एक पीस ले लेंगे. कोई किसी को खिला नहीं सकता है. But I think for the joy of it, मैं बिस्मिल्लाह कहती हूँ ताकि आपका ये बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेस हो, and आप सभी प्लीज केक लो. हाँ फोटो क्लिक करें.
रोज सेंटर में देखो रोज
प्रोडक्ट के साथ कैसे होगा?
रोज इधर
मैं सामने में मैडम इधर देखिए
इधर
यहाँ पे मैं सामने देखिए.
मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करती हूँ. ठीक है, एक सेकंड.
मैम यहाँ नहीं देखिए. मैम यहाँ पे
ये आ रही है, आ रही है.
इधर नहीं देखो गौर जी इधर
Actually,